Hey traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik here. Let us see the pre-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty and some of the stocks to trade for tomorrow and what are the logic behind our analysis. Let us start with Nifty 50. Today Nifty 50 opened at the price range of 15,762. That is gap up from the yesterday's price, closing price. Okay. So as we discussed that it is forming a head and shoulder pattern. So the gap up was little expected today. So once when the market opened nearby our target price, we couldn't take any trade and the market started in a consolidation. So how could we take the trade for tomorrow? We could see that the market has ranged in between the price of 15,750 to 15,800 and 815. So this was the price range today the market traveled in between. So we could only go for a trade once when the market crosses above or below this region. So in order for buy, this price level that is 15,750 acts as a very good support level. You could see here the market traveled higher, then came back and retested here and then move again and then closed around the price of 15,784. So the 15,750 level acts as a very good support level until now. We could go for sell once when the candle closes below this level, that is 15,750. If a bearish candle closes below 15,750 price, you could go for a sell and our target might be this gap filling region, which is around 15,715. Yeah, and also the bearish candle sustains below that price level and again we could see a bearish momentum until the support of 15,650. So once when the market opens tomorrow flat around the price of 15,780 and closes with a bullish candle, go for a buy with a very minimum quantity because we have a very good resistance nearby, which is around 15,800 and 812. So this will be acting as a resistance, and once when the candle crosses above the prices crosses above 15,825 to 830, you could add quantity and our next target will be the previous swing high, which is around 15,870 and 15,890. So first go with the minimum quantity and when you confirm the trend we could add further quantities. So this one Nifty 50. Now let us look at Nifty Bank. Today the Nifty Bank also traveled in a sideways. So it ranged between the price of 34,515 and 34,752. And in a day candle we could see a doji kind of pattern. The market opened the price of 34,740 and closed around 34,750, which is nothing but 10 points higher from the opening price. So the market was in consolidation stage here. So we could go for a buy once when the market crosses above today's high, which is 34,777. This is today's high. You could go for a buy once when the price crosses above this level. And we could go for sell only when the market crosses below 34,496, which is today's low. And on the buying side, our next targets will be 34,925 and 35,000. Yeah, 34,925 and 35,000. And on the selling side, our targets will be 34,400 and 34,250. This is for Nifty Bank. Let us move to the stocks. Our first stock is Power Grid. So the Power Grid is already near to the support area and closed with a bullish candle in 15 minutes time frame. So once the market opens tomorrow flat or little gap up, we could go for a buy once we get a bullish candle and our target will be 168. So from the price of 167 to 169. So this is where the market is ranging. So once when the market crosses above 169, you could keep that candle's low stop loss and go for a further buy by trailing your stop loss. And you could go for sell whenever the market crosses below today's low, and today's low is 167.15. When the candle closes below today's low, you could go for a sell with a target of 1:2 risk reward ratio. Our next stock is HCL Tech, and the HCL Tech has closed with a price of 1,008. Once the market opens tomorrow flat or with little gap up, which is around 1,007 to 1,009, in between this region closes with the bullish candle, go for a buy by keeping that candle slow as stop loss, and your target will be 1013 and 1015. And you could go for a sell only below 1000 because it will be acting as a very good support for now. So once when the market crosses below 1000, you could go for a selling, and your targets will be 995 and 990. Our next stock is Infosys, and Infosys is also in a sideways now, so we could go for a buy because it has made a fresh high. So you could go for a buy once when the market crosses above 1620. So once the market crosses above 1620, go with a risk reward of 1:2 with the candle that crosses above this resistance level. And you could go for a sell once when the market crosses below 1610. Once the prices cross below 1610 with a bearish candle, go for a sell, and your targets will be 1603 and 1600. Our next stock is HDFC Bank. In HDFC Bank, we could see the price has moved between 1412 and 1428. So once when the market crosses above 1429, you could go for a buy, and our targets will be 1440. And you could go for a sell once when the market crosses below 1410, and your targets will be 1403 and 1398. This will be targets on selling side. So this is the pre-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks for tomorrow's market. Hope you have liked the video, and yes, the August contract has been started from tomorrow. So tomorrow is a Friday, okay, and all these markets are in a indecision stage, which means it is in a consolidation stage. So just go start with a minimum quantity, identify the trends, and then add your quantity. That will be much safer thing. And thanks for watching, and all these screenshots will be available in my Telegram channel, and this Telegram channel is absolutely free. The link has been given in my description, so you could join our Telegram channel, and the screenshots will be useful for your future reference. Thanks for watching. Have a happy trading.